Consumer-inspired design. We took all of your feedback on our original Try series and designed the Try 2 with you in mind, featuring intuitive redesigned controls and a soft silicone finish for maximum comfort and control during any activity. The included hard shell protective case protects against knocks, impacts, bumps, drops, impacts and crushes and is equipped with an internal mesh pocket to keep your USB cable and accessories organized. Revolutionary dual-mode performance. Our most advanced bone conduction technology delivers vibrant, crystal-clear audio when switching between environments. Use Bluetooth 5.3 for streaming music, podcasts, or taking calls during any land activities. For underwater adventures, switch to MP3 mode to enjoy uninterrupted playback from the built-in 8GB memory, providing clear audio up to 12 feet underwater, extended battery life and memory. Whether you're enjoying your favorite music from memory or live streaming, the TRI-2 has you covered. The TRI-2 delivers an average of 8.5 hours of mixed-use playtime, 9 hours of Bluetooth and 6 hours of MP3 playing, ensuring it will keep up with you and go the distance. With 8GB memory you can store 2,000 songs and listen up to 130.